I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CC app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So when you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on account settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to personalized content recommendations, clicking this sign of this color. Like you see, then you click here on yes here. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.